Cheese rolls with just 5 ingredients and a result like the one you see in the picture. Crunchy, fluffy, and full of flavor. Wow, this recipe is super simple and amazing. They turn out, wow, truly luxurious. You have to make them. I'm VD, and this is Grandma's Kitchen, and today we're gonna make these little things. Where are you? Can you see me? Want to find out? Stay until the end. Let's begin. First ingredient, cornstarch, 250 grams. That's a little over a cup. I add it to a bowl. I'm going to add baking powder. 8 grams in it goes as well. Then a pinch of salt to give it some bite and make it taste good. We mix it with a spatula so the ingredients come together. And now we add grated cheese, 260 grams. In my case, it's mozzarella. I've got it. It's incorporated. Stir it. Let the ingredients mix together, and we'll add eggs. 2 large eggs, size L, without the shell. I know what you're thinking. Let's continue. Butter, 100 grams, 3 tablespoons. In the battle, Victor A. Quizzer was situated. That's it. I have the drums. I have all of them. Drums. There's no need to put them in the battle. Mix this together until you get a dough, just like when you're making a super bread. You got it. Give it a few more turns, a few more seconds, and then divide it into little balls. There goes one. I shape it into a sphere, like a meatball. Well, like a little bread roll. Look, there it is, done. If you've moistened your hands with a bit of oil, the dough won't stick to you at all, even though it's a very manageable dough and hardly sticks. When you have all the little balls, place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, which is also called sulfurized paper. Place them one after another there and bake for 12 minutes. 210 degrees, which is 410 degrees Fahrenheit, and there you have them. Look how amazing they look. Wow, they turn out great. Well, that's it. To the table. Here goes my tray of cheese rolls. Look, they look incredible. They have a luxurious appearance. Crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside. Cheese rolls just like that. You have to make them. I guarantee they'll turn out spectacular. Use them for whatever you want. The flavor is incredible.
Parababina, you'll give me eyes and fire. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.